Hey everyone, want to start an online side hustle that could earn you $500 a day, even with no experience? Today, I'll show you how to use 5 free tools to build a professional-looking business from scratch. In just few minutes, you'll learn step-by-step how to create branding, get paid, stay organized, and sell products online. No complicated stuff, just simple tools for beginners. Let's get started. Starting an online side hustle is easier than you think, but you need the right tools to treat it like a real business. Don't worry if you're new to this, I'll guide you through 5 free tools that can help you succeed. Follow these steps to set up your side hustle like a pro. Step 1. Create professional branding with Design.com. First, you need to look like a legitimate business to attract customers. Design.com is a free tool that helps you create stunning branding in minutes. Here's how to use it. Go to Design.com and sign up for a free account. Enter your business name, like Ween Crafts. Choose a logo from the options it generates. You can customize the color, font, or add a slogan. Once you're happy, download your logo. The best part? Design.com automatically creates a matching website, social media templates, and business card designs. You can even order printed cards directly. This makes your side hustle look professional without any design skills. Try it free at the link in the description. Step 2. Set up payments with Payaneer next. You need a way to get paid for your work. Payaneer is a free global payment platform that's perfect for freelancers and online businesses. Here's how to get started. Sign up for a free Payaneer account. Link it to platforms like Amazon, Patreon, or affiliate programs to receive payments. You can transfer funds to your bank account, even in countries like Jamaica or the Caribbean, with low fees in 1 to 2 days. Payaneer keeps your business transactions separate from your personal bank, making things organized. Set this up to start earning from your side hustle. Check the description for the Payaneer link. Step 3. Organize your business with Notion. A successful side hustle needs structure, and Notion is a free tool that acts like your digital command center. Here's how to use Notion. Sign up at Notion.com for free. Create a workspace for your side hustle. Use templates to plan your content calendar, track income streams, or manage expenses. For example, add a table to monitor your monthly revenue goals or a checklist for video ideas. Notion keeps everything in one place, so you stay focused and avoid confusion. It's beginner-friendly and fun to use. Start organizing today. Step 4. Sell digital products with Gumroad now. Let's make money by selling digital products. Gumroad is a free platform for selling ebooks, templates, or courses with no upfront costs. Here's how to start. Go to Gumroad.com and create a free account. Upload your product, like a printable or mini course, and set a price. Customize your product page with a description and image. Share the link on social media or your website. Gumroad takes a small fee only when you make a sale, so there's no risk. This is perfect for beginners. Try uploading your first product today. Step 5. Write faster with Chat GPT. Finally, you need great content to promote your side hustle. Chat GPT is a free AI tool that helps you write product descriptions, social media posts, and more. Here's how to use it. Sign up for a free Chat GPT account at OpenAI's website. Type a prompt, like write an Instagram caption for my ebook. Chat GPT will generate ideas instantly. You can tweak the tone to sound like you. Use it for video scripts, blog outlines, or SEO-friendly product titles. It's like having a 24/7 writing assistant. Start writing with Chat GPT to save time and boost your hustle. That's it. You now know how to use 5 free tools: Design.com, Payaneer, Notion, Gumroad, and Chat GPT to start a side hustle that could earn $500 a day. Try these tools to create branding, get paid, stay organized, sell products, and write content like a pro. If you hit any roadblocks, check the links in the description for help. What's your side hustle idea? Share it in the comments. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner guides, and hit the bell for updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.